Let me be real with you. If you're curling weights, getting sore, training consistently, and your biceps still look the same, that's not bad genetics, that's bad execution. Because here's the truth no one tells you. Most people don't have hard-to-grow biceps. They're just making a few mistakes that completely shut growth down. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 mistakes that are killing your arm growth. And more importantly, I'll show you exactly how to fix them. Plus, the exact routine that actually builds arms. Let's get into it. I've trained beginners, intermediates, and guys who've been stuck for years. Different bodies, same problem. Their chest grows, their shoulders grow, but their arms? Nothing. If you're swinging the weight, leaning back, using your hips, your biceps aren't doing the work. Momentum is. And momentum does not build muscle. Muscle grows from tension. When you swing the weight, tension disappears. Time under tension drops, and the biceps stop working. You feel tired, but nothing actually grows. So drop the weight. I'm serious. Lower it by 20 to 30%. Control every rep. 3 seconds up, 2 second squeeze, 3 seconds down. If your biceps aren't burning by the end, you're still lifting too heavy. Now here's another mistake almost everyone makes. They train biceps after back. Back day first, then biceps. Sounds logical. But here's the problem. Your biceps are already exhausted from rows, pull-ups, and pull-downs. So when you finally curl, you're training a pre-fatigued muscle. And fatigued muscles don't grow well. If you want bigger arms, they need priority. That means either you train biceps on a separate day or you train them before back. Fresh muscles grow faster. Always. Another reason your arms look flat is because you're only training one part of the biceps. Your biceps have 2 heads, the short head and the long head. Most people only hit the short head. That's why their arms look flat from the side. No peak, no thickness. If you want that round, full look, you need long head-focused movements. Inclined dumbbell curls, behind the body cable curls. Any curl where your elbow is behind your torso. No long head, no big arms. Now let me ask you something. Are you curling the same weight for the same reps every single week? Then why would your body change? Muscle only grows when it's forced to adapt. You need progressive overload. That means you improve one thing at a time. One more rep, a little more weight, slower tempo, one extra set. Track your workouts. Growth doesn't happen by accident. It happens by design. Another big mistake is volume. Some people barely train arms. Others destroy them with 25 sets in one session. Both stall growth. The sweet spot is simple. 10 to 16 hard sets per week. 2 sessions max. At least 48 hours between them. Remember, recovery is where growth actually happens. Now let me give you the exact routine I use for stubborn arms. Say this. Start with barbell curls, 4 sets, 6 to 8 reps, strict form, 2 minutes rest, then incline dumbbell curls, 3 sets, 8 to 10 reps, full stretch at the bottom. After that, behind the body cable curls, 3 sets, 12 to 15 reps, focus on the squeeze. 2 days later, train biceps again. Start with easy bar preacher curls, 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps, then alternating dumbbell curls, 3 sets, 12 reps per arm, 2 second squeeze at the top. Finish with rope hammer curls, 3 sets, 12 to 15 reps. This builds thickness. Once per week, you can add a finisher, 21 curl burnout, 1 brutal set, huge pump. This routine works because it trains both heads of the biceps. It uses progressive overload, balances heavy tension with pump work, and allows proper recovery. No fluff, no wasted sets, just growth. If your biceps don't grow after this, the problem isn't the routine, it's consistency. Run this for 6 weeks, track your numbers, then come back. If you want a full arm day, a push-pull split, or a home version, subscribe. See you in the next one.